A man convicted of murder will not see his conviction thrown out, despite the state's admission of multiple errors in his trial and his co-defendant's full exoneration.
Don Roberts was convicted alongside Glenn Simmons for the 1975 murder of an Edmond liquor store clerk. Both men always maintained their innocence. Roberts was released on parole in 2008, but after Simmons was given a new trial, then cleared of all crimes last year, Roberts asked District Attorney Vicky Behena for the same, and today she denied that request.
News 4's Spencer Humphrey spoke to Behena and Roberts today, and Spencer, the two even came face to face tonight. What happened?
Yeah, that's right, Kevin. Well, Behena held a town hall event tonight with both Glenn Simmons and Don Roberts in the audience. Behena actually pointed Simmons out to the crowd and touted his exoneration as one of her achievements as DA. But as for Roberts, while he is out on parole, he's still living as a convicted felon.
Sometimes I trying to build myself up to feeling free. Then I stumble. I'm socked upside the head into reality to remember, man, you're not free. You can't go out and get a job. I need a job now. But my convictions holds me back.
That struggle is why attorneys for Don Roberts filed a request with Oklahoma County DA Vicky Behena back in February, asking her to exonerate Roberts and vacate his murder conviction, just like courts did for the man once convicted alongside Roberts, Glenn Simmons. On Tuesday, Roberts' attorney Joe Norwood got Behena's response to that request.
And they filed a response saying they oppose that, essentially.
In her response, DA Behena argued too much time had passed for Roberts to be able to request post-conviction relief. She also argued the state's own admitted mistake that its key witness failed to identify Roberts or Simmons in a lineup doesn't matter. Incidentally, Roberts and Glenn Simmons both sat in the front row at a town hall Behena was holding Tuesday evening.
I formed this phrase, and my phrase is, my chains, that I've imprisonment, is not my shame. The shame is on the person who put me there. The shame is on the person who keeps an innocent person in bondage. That's where the shame should be. It's not on the victim.
I was able to catch up with Behena afterwards. Can you explain why you did that, but in Simmons' case, ultimately that relief was given?
Because remember, we look at the facts. If you'll read the response that we filed, we went through the facts against Don Roberts.
She says even though Simmons and Roberts were tried at the same time with the same evidence against them, their cases actually aren't the same.
If you would have read the response, you would have seen that there were other witnesses that made the identification as well.
I did read her response, and in it she also wrote, "It must be noted that the assistant district attorney who originally prosecuted this matter has repeatedly declared that he has questions concerning the case." Norwood says if this is the way the DA wants to go, he's ready to take this to a judge.
The judge has already ruled that Glenn Simmons is innocent by clear and convincing evidence, and that the exculpatory evidence withheld from Glenn was also already withheld from Don. And so that'll happen.
As for Roberts,
I trust her hard, but don't waver too much from the truth, or it will come back and hunt you.
He's faithful. One day, this will all be put behind him.
Truth is the truth, and the truth is I'm innocent. I didn't do that.
Now, this all comes just a couple months after Simmons announced he is suing over his wrongful conviction. So I asked Behena if she denied Roberts' request in order to prevent him from being able to sue the county. She told me she made her decision is based solely on the facts and that the case law and nothing else.